Steady hands and steady feet. Can you carry us to where we need to be?
Hi, love, love. Finally, andito na tayo sa bagong chapter ng buhay natin. Sobrang saya ko na nakilala kita. At maraming salamat sa binigay mong pagmamahal sa akin. Kahit minsan, matigas ulo ko, makulit, o kahit magkaaway tayo, alam ko, mahal na mahal mo pa rin ako.
I've loved you in joy and I've loved you through heartbreaks. I've seen your strength, your softness, both the darkness and light. I loved you when you were running late and you tried to beat the red light. I loved you when you did not have anything to give but a photo or video of you taking care of Samuel. I loved you when you cried when you saw how your parents are having a hard time. And I love you tomorrow in 10, 20, 30 years until we're old and gray and still arguing why you spent so much on buying UC on PUBG. 10k UC talaga in one day. Woo, Kurt Lester!
Nang dahil sa'yo, ako'y binago mo and I'm happy for that. And huwag kang mag-alala, hanggat kaya ko, gagawin ko lahat para sa'yo. At lagi mong tatandaan, nandito ako lagi. And I always love you, forever and ever.
When storms rise and we feel the thunder, in the times that we are left to wonder, I will be your rock, your home, your shelter. I believe, love, you're all I need. Oh, love, you're all I need. Love, you're all I need. Ooh, love, you're all I need. You're all I need.
Love one another as Jesus have loved you. Love one another as Jesus have loved you. His love is faithful, patient, and self-giving. Kaya birth, love Janina with a love that makes her feel safe. Janina love birth with a love that strengthens his courage.
Naglalaro kami dahil sa kaibigan niya, in-invite niya ako. Doon niya kami pinagsama sa isang team. So nakalaro ko siya.
Yet I'm morning feeling up your eyes. Waking up.
May sariling mundo, ganon. Masyadong maangas, masyadong mataas ang kumpiyansa sa sarili. Until one time, hiningi nung good friend namin na girl yung number ko sa WhatsApp. Pero yung paghingi niya pala, kinuha din ni Kurt yung number ko sa kanya. So ayun po, doon na po nag-start. We actually started as friends.
Eyes open, you call my heartbeat into love.
Our love story began in the most unexpected way. It was definitely not love at first sight. I did not like you because I thought you were mayabang and maangas. Nagmamadali ka pa nga noon na sagutin na kita. Your patience might be short most of the time, but you've loved me in all my moods, through all my insecurities, all my anxieties and overthinking, and even when I leave food on my plate. You just eat my leftover without any complaints.
You give me new eyes open, you call my heartbeat into love.
Maraming salamat ma sa yung mga tinuro sa akin at sa mga pag-alaga mo sa akin. And sobrang thankful ako doon. Love you, ma.
Sige ka talaga kaaway. Hindi na mahawakan. Ay, naku. Lapit na. Lapit na. Ako kanina, pero nawala na umiyak na ako kasama sila.
Love grows when you choose what helps the other become better. Hindi lang happier, pero yung mapabuti at maging maganda ang buhay. You choose what helps the other become better, not just happier.